This is another video here with Oasis Roofing, and I just want to show we did a spray foam roof yesterday, about 2,500 square feet. Just want to show you what this stuff looks like. Came out real nice, really hard. This stuff came out of feels like it's just like rock hard, 1-inch spray foam from Rhino Linings. Really happy with the product, just really hard. Doing a test sample here. The coating that we're putting down, it's the primer. Got a primer first before we put the coating on, just so it adheres a little better. I like doing quality work. Not everybody puts primer, and they don't recommend you to, but I like to do an overkill. I like doing a good job. Nothing wrong with doing a really good job. That's just what we're about. I want the customer happy, and I don't want them having problems over the years. We've got a warranty to stand by. We want this customer to be really happy. Really came out nice. This roof was in bad shape. We were able to spray right over it. Came out really nice. Oasis Roofing. You're looking to redo your roof and you want to do it with spray foam? Give us a call, 915-204-8223. And the nice thing about this stuff also insulates, so it'll save you on utility bills in the long run. Thank you very much.